Hey guys, Andy again with our 58 series cargo trailer. This unit is a single engine unit that can be upgraded in several different options. We'll show you basically the operation of it and how you set it up when you get to the job site. So first off, you want to make sure that all the doors were open. Latch everything in place so the wind doesn't blow it. Back closed. Open your rear doors. Connect it to the locks. Once that's in place, then you're good to go. This unit has a 38 horsepower electronic fuel injection Kohler engine. It's air cooled, so we need to leave those doors open so the engine gets plenty of cooling ability. The exhaust is exited out the other side, so you don't have to worry about that on the operations. This unit will have a 200-gallon tank with it, optional antifreeze. There's portable hose reels and different things like that are listed on our website. But I'm gonna run it through. This one has wireless remote also. If you didn't have wireless remote, make sure this ball valve was closed here in the back and start your engine. And then if you have two guys, either open the ball valve or you can use the foot valve if you have just one guy. So I'm gonna show you that, and then we'll do the wireless remote. Open the ball valve, that was there's an emergency kill in the back, and also you can kill it by the engine also if you want to do it that way. Now, if you had wireless remote, as long as the key switch is in the on position, you can start and stop the unit anytime you want to. Also, when the engine is running, the vent fan is always pulling the heat out of the trailer. So now we're going to do this with wireless remote. First off, we'll do the hose reel, reel it out. And we've got our ball valve in the on position, so anytime we start the engine, we'll have water flow. Then just kill the engine to stop water flow, and then we can reel our hose reel back in. Put our hose back in place in the holder. Back here in the back, it has a portable or a hose reel. That's your inlet reel, hold 150 foot of 5/8. There's also a bypass gauge that lets you know how much water is going into bypass. You can tell by using that if you're using all the water that the system is capable of producing. And like I said, it has an antifreeze unit on it. This unit also has a freewheel option where that you can disengage the hose reel motor, freewheel the hose out, and if you got a long ways to go, it's a lot easier to do that. And then just re-engage it when you get ready to operate the hose reel. That's the basics of this unit. It can be customized in quite a few different ways. Just look at the specs on our website and the options, and look forward to working with you guys. Take care and have a good day.